Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can create an effective and interactive exam in your academy. First, let's go to the Courses section, Exams, Create an Exam. Let's pick a name for our exam, Create. On the menu on the left, we can see our visual settings for the exam and functions, shuffle questions, time limit for passing an exam, exam passing score, manual approval, quantity of exam attempts, and deadline settings, where we can select a due date to pass the exam or the date range. Next, you can see the access of your exam. Now it's available for all learners, but we can select learners from selected teams to pass the exam. Next, you can choose automatic check-in of your exam or manual approval. Let's move on to the certificate section. Here you will have your certificate when your learners will pass the exam. Statistics. Let's go back to the exam management page. Here you can see manual weighting function. After adding content to the exam, the total weight of all quizzes should be 100%. This way you can set the importance percentage for each quiz. For example, an important quiz can be set to 50%, while others can be 20, 20, and 10. Let's select the content for your exam. To do so, we need to select an academy from where we can choose our tests. Let's choose these tests and add them to our exam. We need to turn them on and publish. Press Save. Done. Let's see how it looks from the learner's end. Here we have our exam. I hope it helped and good luck with your academy.